So you just got a new camera and you want to start playing around with it right away. Well, I say, don't do that just yet before you change these settings. Today, we're diving into the first things I do as soon as I get a new camera. And whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, these tweaks are going to help you get the most out of your gear. So let's get started. First up, I always turn off all the sounds. That beep you hear every time you take a shot or when you're navigating through the menu, yeah, it's not just annoying, it can be very distracting too, especially when you're in a quiet environment or even when you're trying to capture a candid moment. Just head into your settings menu, find the sounds or even the audio signals and switch them off. Just turn them all off. Trust me, your future self will thank you. Next on the list is turning off that pesky autofocus assist light. That little beam of light your camera uses to help it autofocus in low light situations can be a real nuisance, and it can also just alert your subject and ruin the moment. Plus, modern cameras these days are really good at focusing without it. So go ahead and just disable it. You'll get great shots and you'll be less intrusive in the meantime. Thirdly, I turn off the auto playback review. This is that setting where every time you take a shot, it automatically displays on the back screen. And what it really does, although it might seem useful, is that it just slows you down. Really. It slows you down so much, and especially when you're shooting something fast-paced, you can always check your shots later. So by disabling this feature, it'll keep you in the zone and also keep you focused on capturing the moment. Up next is turning on RAW plus JPEG mode. If your camera allows it, of course. So shooting RAW gives you the highest quality images possible and also the most flexibility for editing. But having the convenience of JPEGs at the same time will give you not only a ready-to-share file, but also no extra work. And it's pretty much the best of both worlds. So check your image quality settings and select RAW plus JPEG. For my specific camera here, it doesn't come with RAW shooting. So what I do is I just put it on its highest JPEG format, which is on super fine mode. And last but not least, I always turn off the auto ISO. While it can be pretty handy, it often leads to inconsistent results. And by setting your ISO manually, you have full control over the exposure and you can ensure that your photos turn out exactly how you want them. So it's kind of like back in the film days where you have one roll of film with one specific ISO, and that's what you have for the rest of the roll. So those are my top essential settings that I change as soon as I get a new camera. But we're not done here because I have 2 bonus settings just for you. Bonus tip number 1, put your metering mode to evaluative metering. This mode helps your camera assess the light across the entire frame, ensuring that exposure is balanced and accurate. It's perfect for most shooting situations, and it's going to give you a consistent and reliable result. And bonus tip number 2 is to turn on the center point autofocus. Focusing on the center point is often more accurate and faster, especially in tricky lighting conditions. So once you've locked focus, you can always recompose your shot and place your subject off center, giving you full control while maintaining a sharp focus. And there you have it. These are my top settings that I change as soon as I get a new camera. I want to ask, do you have any other tips or settings that you swear by that you change whenever you get a new camera? If you do, drop them in the comments down below. And if you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more photography tips and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you next time.